Hi friends, welcome to my video. In this video, I am going to share some tips on a common issue, phone slowdown. All one of two mobile users facing this problem. If you are using a low range mobile like low RAM, low processor, it's obvious you'll face this issue frequently. If you are facing these kind of issues, please follow my tips. Please watch the complete video without skipping. If you find the video useful, please share to your friends also. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. Let's go to the tips. The first tip I am going to share is use lite version of applications if available. For example, I'm going to Play Store and searching for a Facebook app. Now I can see two applications. One is normal Facebook app and a lite version is also available, Facebook Lite. If you are not very much interested on Facebook, you can install Facebook Lite. You can notice a big difference in performance comparing to the normal Facebook version. This is because the normal Facebook app consumes a huge memory in your phone, not like Facebook Lite. This is truly a working tip. You can try this. One important thing, always download and install app from a trusted website. The next tip is to force stop unused apps. I will show you how. First go to settings and then apps. And select the app which you are not using frequently, and then select force stop. This will free up processor and memory space. It helps to improve the performance of the mobile. Next tip, uninstall unwanted and unused apps. I hope everyone knows to uninstall apps. Anyway, I will show you how. Just select and hold the app which you want to uninstall. A remove and uninstall option will come. Drag to uninstall. It will uninstall your apps. In the next tip, we are going to clear the cache memory. For this, first go to settings and then select storage. There you can find the cache data. One more thing I want to mention with this. Try to use a single browser. If you use multiple browsers, each browser will store some data in the cache memory. If the cache memory increases, it will degrade the performance of the mobile. Click the cache data. It will ask for clear cache data. Select OK. It will clear the cached data. Even after doing all this, if you are still facing the performance issue, our last resort is to factory reset the mobile phone. If you are decided to do factory reset, please do the precautions before doing it, like backing up your data, removing the memory card, backing up your contacts and other related data. The factory reset will take your mobile to a fresh state, like when you purchased the new mobile.